Hi, math classes. I'm here to give you your directions for week 5 of distance learning, so April 27th through May 1st. Your first step, just like always, is to go to your Math Google Classroom. Okay, now I'm going to click on Rockwell Young Math, but Rockwell Math looks exactly the same. Always go to the classwork tab. The stream gets too crowded and unorganized, so please go to the classwork tab. I've got everything organized there for you. So you can see at the top here is distance learning week 5 for April 27th through May 1st. This is not live yet. You can't see this until Monday at 6 a.m. if you want to get up that early. You don't have to, but it will be there starting at 6 a.m. So whenever you do wake up Monday and you're ready to work, it's there. So just like last week, you will click, and this week we are looking at decimals. So open up the Google Slides. Now remember, yours will look different. You will have to click View Assignment, and yours will be over here on the right-hand side under the heading Your Work. Do not click the little X because that will delete it. We want to make sure we have it all week long. So you'll open it up, and you'll find that it looks very, very similar to last week. Just instead of being about mixed numbers, we're now looking at decimals. So here's our title slide, and there's a little note here that says, each day complete the daily slide, but don't turn in your slideshow until the whole week is finished. Okay, if you turn it in on Monday and you haven't done any other day, you can't go back and do it. So make sure that you keep it until the end of the week. Just like last week, every single day has a problem of the day, a video, fact practice, or freckle, something here in this box, and then a show what you know. Now, please make sure that you are completing all of the boxes, okay? Now, there are some times when you type an answer, so I'm going to type a silly answer here. I didn't even really read the question, but you might type 50 apples as your answer. I go through them every single day, and I look at everybody's Monday slide on Monday. And what I do is I highlight if you have it incorrect, and then I will come up and add a comment. And I might say, you might want to check your math here. Reread the problem. So I'll give you some sort of hint there about what you might have done correct or incorrect. So now when you open it, this is what you see. My comment. If you hover over my comment, do you see how 50 apples gets highlighted when I hover over it? That tells you what my comment is about. That means you need to fix this, okay? If you click the word resolve, the comment will go away. Please do not click the word resolve until you've changed your answer. And then I always write down what I commented on so I know to go back and look at it the next day to see if you made those changes, okay? So hover over my comment to see where I commented, and then if you'd like to respond to me, you can click on my comment and click reply and type. That's more than okay, but please do not resolve it and not fix your answer. That's where your grade comes from, okay? So I'm going to resolve this, but I just want you to see how that works. You'll watch the video. Remember, click the word, click the title of the video, and it will open it in a new tab. Highlight what you did for fact practice. If you do freckle, remember, you'll just come up here and pick a color and highlight it. All the links are at the bottom. This is the same. Show what you know here. Again, I go through and I comment every single day on every single person's slideshow, whether it's correct or not. Everybody will get a comment every day. Please check them. What that means is Tuesday morning, when you come on to do your math on Tuesday, you're not actually going to start on Tuesday. You're going to start on the day before to see, hey, what did Miss Rockwell comment? Oh, I need to fix this before I start Tuesday. So then when you come on Wednesday morning, you'll check Tuesdays to see, hey, did I get that right? You might even want to just start at the beginning and go through all of your slides and look at the comments that I leave, okay? Tuesday, same thing, problem of the day, video link, freckle adaptive practice. It says put a picture of your favorite animal in the box. So whatever animal you want, and then select a few problems from the worksheet. Check with the answer key. Don't turn in the slideshow yet. You do not have to show me your work for this worksheet, okay? But I will be commenting on your problem of the day. Wednesday, problem of the day, there is a challenge. I'd like you to at least try the challenge. But the first problem is really where I'm looking for the best work, okay? Video link, fact practice, show what you know. You can do some problems from the worksheet or play this game. Remember, anytime anything is blue, you can click on this for the directions. Thursday's a little different. This was supposed to be our Challenge 24 building-wide competition. I know I told you guys about this at the beginning of January when we came back and we started looking at Challenge 24. This Thursday was supposed to be that competition. So you'll do your problem of the day, you'll do your video link, and then instead of fact practice, there's actually Challenge 24 cards for you. If you're not into Challenge 24, that's fine. I'm more than okay if you just want to work on your math facts. But if you're looking for something different, if you click here, this will open the website for Challenge 24. You can choose to have a time limit or no time limit, and then it will give you these numbers. These would be the numbers on the card, 1, 7, 10, and 1. So then you would just type in how you got the answer. So 7 plus 1 would be 8, and so on and so forth, okay? And it will tell you if you're right or wrong. Again, just do that for about 10 minutes or as long as you want. Your show what you know is a Flipgrid. You will need a handful of coins. So find a handful of coins, show how to find the total, and then write the total as a fraction and as a decimal. You'll know how to do that before Thursday, don't worry. Click here for the Flipgrid. I will be responding to Flipgrids. I did last week too, so please go back and check the Flipgrid for my comments. Friday, write your own problem of the day. This right here is the important part. That involves decimals. Last week I had some crazy problems of the day that had nothing to do with mixed numbers, and it said it right in the directions. Okay, so please make sure that your problem of the day involves decimals. Make it something that you learn throughout the week. Okay, that's the point of this. You're showing what you know here. Also, you need to include the answer. There's a funny video, fact practice. Now, this is the part that some of you missed last week. You now need to go in and click turn in, and you have to do the end of the week checkout. Okay, it's another Google form. So before we go over to that Google form, just to review, every day you log in, you answer everything on the slide. The next day when you come in, you're going to go back and look for my comments. Okay, so you're going to look for my comments. You can respond to them if you would like, but you need to fix your answer. Even though I've commented on it, you can still come over here and backspace whatever you need to. Okay, please fix your errors. Go through every day. When you get to Friday, after you've done everything, you'll go back to your math classroom, click turn in, and then you will open this Google form. First name, last name, your math teacher's name. I had some wild answers in this one. I thought everyone would get this one right last week. Had some truly, truly wild answers. You can just write Rockwell there. That's fine. And then you have some questions that you need to answer, okay? Now, you don't need to get a 100% on this. If that's something that you're striving for, you can take it more than once. But I'm looking for, most of them correct, okay? I know that this is new learning for you. We've never talked about decimals, so just try your best. But if you're getting, only 1 or 2 correct, you might want to review some of the videos and then try to take it again, just so that way you are prepared when in 5th grade they do talk about decimals, that you can at least say that you've heard of them before. Okay, that's all you have to do for this week. 1 slide per day. They should take you about 25 to 30 minutes, 1 slide per day. And then on Friday, make sure you do the Google form. Once you click submit at the bottom of the Google form, I will have it. There's nothing you need to click turn in. You just have to hit submit at the bottom. Okay? Please email me if you have any questions. I am happy to help. Have a great week.